Hello friends, welcome back. I'm in the car right now because I'm actually at Michael's and I wanted to see what they had this year for like their patriotic Americana July 4th summer decor. I couldn't even tell you the last time I've been in Michael's. It was probably like Christmas, maybe fall, looking at holiday decor. So really excited to pop in here. Hopefully they have some stuff. I have a couple things from last year and picked up literally a couple things from Hobby Lobby new this year, but I always like to see new things and they're usually on sale. So today I wanted to do a patriotic Americana front porch. I did that last year and you guys loved it, so we're gonna bring it back again this year. So we're gonna run in there and then get back to the house. We're gonna clean up and decorate my front porch for the 4th of July / summertime. Back home, y'all, we did some damage. This is a full car right now. I am sharing a few treats throughout this video, more towards the end, so make sure you guys stick around. But of course, before we go outside and decorate the porch, it was a warm one today, so might as well make myself a little treat for while I'm decorating. I love this limeade from Trader Joe's. If you guys love jalapeno or like a little kick of heat, you guys will absolutely love this. I got these clear to-go cups just on Amazon, so I'm just gonna add some ice to the cup, pour in this jalapeno limeade, add some sliced limes just to give it a little bit more life and make it look festive. And let's go ahead and head out to the porch and get started. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Katie and this is my front porch. I actually recently did a whole video on home improvements. We actually just painted the outside of our home just a few weeks ago, so this is very new, very fresh, and my first time coming out here and decorating for any holiday with these new colors and the new paint on the house. So I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what we are working with today in case you've never seen this before. I am going to clear everything off the porch just to have a nice clean slate. I also wanted to go ahead and grab the blower and get any of the dust and dirt that has accumulated up here over the last couple weeks since I've come in here and cleaned this pre-paint job here on the house. And then we're gonna come in and do some decorating. Again, I will say make sure you guys stick around until the very end. We do some decorating out here and then we actually end up going back inside and coming back out. I wanted to do a little something special. I've actually never done this before, so I will share that here in just a few minutes, but let's go ahead and get to decorating. I love to layer doormats, and I got this blue and white larger mat you see on the bottom layer from Michael's a couple years ago, and then this Proud to be an American doormat from Hobby Lobby. Same thing with this welcome red, white, and blue front door sign. It's actually reversible, so there is another side, but I'm loving the red, white, and blue, so we're gonna go ahead and leave it on that side. And then I actually had this floral arrangement on my door before we painted the house. So I'm going to bring it back out here now that the house is done, everything is dry, and we're going to put this back on the front door, but we're going to give it a little bit of a 4th of July festive flair and just add some red, white, and blue mini flags to here. I love how versatile this floral arrangement is. I can just take out the flags, add pops of color to it for any holiday. This throw pillow I just grabbed from Michael's. You guys saw me hit that store before we decorated today. I had to have this pillow. Everything at Michael's that was like 4th of July themed was 50% off. So any of the price tags I'm showing you, I actually got for half off. So I got this American flag pillow and this USA pillow at Michael's just the day before we decorated. This pillow is from Target. I believe it was from last year, and I think I just paid $15 for it. And this Welcome Friends pillow is also from Target last year from the Target dollar spot. I think it was maybe about $3 or $5. If you caught my 4th of July patriotic themed porch last year, then these will look familiar. These were from Hobby Lobby. I'm actually not huge on decorating with wood signs like this with writing, but I feel like for 4th of July, I'll go ahead and give it a pass. I love layering these two signs together. And we're actually going to come back to this vase in just a moment and add some faux hydrangeas. But since I had these two ferns sitting in here, I grabbed these from Lowe's that same day we went to Michael's when my car was full to the brim. I just picked up 2 of these, and they did come with hangers, but I don't have anywhere to hang these from my house here in the front porch at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of use this as like a separation from the porch going into the front landscaping. It actually kind of keeps Ruger in as well. So make that make sense, but it works. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple red, white, and blue flags. I actually ended up switching these out with some larger ones that I picked up, but this is what I had today, and it was before I thought to use larger ones. So we're just going to go ahead and add a couple of these red, white, and blue mini flags to these ferns just to give it a little bit of festive flair. I have owned these faux hydrangea stems for years. I've used them for several different seasons, and they've been inside the house, outside the house. They've been all over. I definitely feel like I've gotten my money's worth from these, but like I said, I already own them, so I just went inside and grabbed them from my decorating bins that I love just kind of having a little bit of overstock so I can grab and switch things out as I need. But here's a little overview of what we did today. Like I said, we will end up coming back out here and adding a few things, but this is what I did this day on the porch, and it felt really nice. This ended up being later in the afternoon. As you can see, there's a nice breeze. I grabbed my lemonade and Ruger and just came out here and enjoyed all of the new decorations. This was definitely something that I've never done before, and I've seen other people do it, and I thought, what a nice touch, being it gets warmer in my area, and we definitely have a lot of home deliveries here. So I thought, I already own this basket, I already had all these snacks on hand from stocking up, from having the kids home for summer break, and I thought, why not go ahead and put together a delivery basket. That way, as UPS or Amazon or FedEx is delivering our packages, I swear we at least have deliveries every day, to go ahead and just put together a little like thank you for all of their hard work, and just set this outside on the porch they can quickly grab as they drop our packages. So I just went on PicMonkey or Canva and just threw together a little something to put in this frame I already owned, and then put it out on the porch. And here's how it all came together. So this came out cute, but I was hoping it fit a little bit more seamlessly in there, but you guys get the point. Thank you for our delivery. Please enjoy a treat. We got some water, some granola bars, some cookies, some chips, some trail mix. It does get pretty hot out here, so I'm hoping they can enjoy an ice water and a snack when I drop off my packages. We also added this flag bunting to the porch. Unfortunately, these were the only 2 left. I would really love to have 2 more, so I'm just gonna have to keep checking back. They're sold out online as well. But I wanted to squeeze this in this video before it ended. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, let's get into my favorite part, and that is seasonal treats. And this one is so easy. Everything I picked up just from Trader Joe's. These blueberry scones are absolutely delicious. They're not over dry, they're nice and soft and very cake-like, and definitely going to be nice and festive for this little treat. So obviously, there's a lot of entertaining and barbecuing that goes down during the summer, a lot of celebrating for the 4th of July, stuff like that. This is such an easy dessert to bring over for a barbecue or serve guests when they come over. You just want to go ahead and put the blueberry scone in a dish and then load it up with some whipped cream, and then you're going to start layering on your strawberries and your blueberries. But the part that I love the most, that really packs a punch and says summer to me, is just adding a little bit of lemon zest right on top. Next, we're just going to make some homemade popsicles. We've been trying to be better in this house about just making smarter decisions. So trying to replace old things that may be like overly processed and food dyes that are terrible for you, and just finding a new way to present them to my kids. So I got these popsicle molds, very cheap on Amazon. If you guys want the link for it, please just comment down below, let me know, and I will get it to you. But I'm going to just put whatever fruit you want. This is what I had on hand. We did 2 with blueberries, 2 with strawberries, 2 with the limes. And I already had this juice from earlier. So this one I ended up kind of making more for me. I know it's more like adult. I could have even added like tequila to this. It ended up tasting like a margarita. It was absolutely delicious. And this other one with the strawberries, I'm going to just add in some organic strawberry lemonade from Trader Joe's. These were definitely a crowd favorite. I could have made 10 of these and they would have been gone in one day. So good. And the last one, we're going to do an orange blueberry. So I just grabbed some orange juice that I had on hand. I think more got on the counter than it did in the popsicle mold, but that's okay. We had a lot of fun making these. Colton saw that I was making these and he wanted to get in on the fun. So he was able to jump in and help me make these too. And we just popped them in the freezer overnight, enjoyed them the next day, and the boys absolutely loved them. I also wanted to add the popsicle molds come with everything that you see here. Very affordable, very easy to put together. And I was able to just use things that I pretty much had on hand. But thank you so much for watching today. If you guys enjoyed this one, if you could just hit that like button before you go, it helps me out a ton. Maybe even consider subscribing before you go. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We have a lot more summer decorating to come, and I hope to see you there. Bye, friends.